Abdomen sign and symptoms, pain in area below xiphoid process. Abdominal pain can be due to a very wide variety of conditions, some full and some empty. By definition, the abdominal pain from a full condition is severe, whereas that from an empty condition is mild. Among the full conditions, which may cause abdominal pain are chest stagnation, blood stasis, dampness, retention of food, and cold. Among the empty conditions are spleen Qi deficiency, empty cold, and kidney deficiency. Abdominal pain is one of the most common presenting symptom in practice. When diagnosing abdominal pain, it is important to refer to the basic principle which allow us to differentiate fullness from emptiness and heat from cold. Abdominal pain that is alleviated by pressure indicate a deficiency, while if it is aggravated by pressure, if the patient dislikes being touched in that area, it indicates a fullness. Abdominal pain that is alleviated by the application of heat, such as a hot water bottle or ingestion of warm drinks, indicates a cold condition. The same is the case if it is aggravated by exposure to cold or ingestion of cold drinks. Abdominal pain that is aggravated by exposure to heat or ingestion of warm drinks indicates a heat condition. Then the same is true if it is alleviated by exposure to cold, which is very rare even in heat condition, or ingestion of cold drinks. Pain in the area below the xiphoid process. Rebellious Qi of the penetrating vessel. Pain below the xiphoid process with a feeling of tightness, feeling of heat in the face, feeling of a lump in the throat, palpitation, anxiety, feeling of tightness of the chest, nausea, slight breathlessness, epigastric fullness or stuffiness, umbilical and abdominal fullness, irregular and or painful periods, feeling of energy rising in the abdomen to the chest, firm pulse. Stomach heat. Pain below the xiphoid process, burning epigastric pain, thirst, sour regurgitation, nausea, excessive hunger, foul breath, feeling of heat, red tongue with a yellow coating, overflowing rapid pulse. Thank you po for your listening.